So a lot of you guys already know what staking is all about, but you don't know which particular cryptocurrency to stake or which platform you're going to be staking with so that your money will not lose. Okay, so today's video I will show you detailed guide on how to stake and make passive income. Okay, please subscribe, like this video, and join our Telegram channel. Okay, so on last video I made mention of the winners of a $100 worth of Solana. So we'll be mentioning Vicky Zen. Okay, we have sent you a Telegram message. You send us your wallet, we'll be transferring a $100 worth of Solana to your wallet. Okay, you already know that staking is participating in blockchain transaction for a reward. Okay, so they have disadvantages in staking, which is staking in a new introduced coin, which you don't know how the coin is going to be working. And if the coin goes down, you'll be losing some interest in your reward. Okay, so in this particular platform I'll be mentioning how they work, and they only stake in coin that already have what we call good potential. Okay, you're not going to be losing any of your assets. Instead of losing, you are earning. Okay, I'll show you how I do it and how I was able to earn from $100 to $5,000 in 3 weeks. All right, guys, so let me show you how I was able to make this particular amount over here. Okay, it's very simple, very straightforward. So I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about this particular website. Okay, the name is called Crypto Wizard. Is everybody's choice when it comes to staking. So I'm going to be taking you around everything I did, and they have transaction, profit history, swap, transfer if you want to transfer, and manage, refer if you want to refer members. Okay, so now what I'm going to show you here is my withdrawal, which I withdrawed $5,000 to my account. Okay, I was able to withdraw $5,000, and I still have about $89 on my profits. Okay, see, you can see on my bonus here I still have $89, which I want to use to stake. Okay, so let me log out and register a new account and show you how you can be able to go through this particular website. So I've already logged out, and you can see Crypto Wizard. You have a button here which says stake. So everything about the website is very straightforward. So here I'm going to click on start staking. So here, once I click on start staking, you can either register by clicking sign up over here, or you automatically click on Google for Google to register you, which I do instead of going through the registration. So here I'm going to use any of my email to register. It's very simple. So I'll use any of my email to get registered. So once I'm in on the dashboard right now, so what I'm going to do is to go through the website and show you how it works. So what I'm going to do is, now you can see I have zero balance here. What I'm going to do is to look at the staking and know how much I can stake with. And one thing I love about this particular stake is you can stake as low as $10. Okay, so here I'm going to be staking at least, let me say, $50. Okay, so I'll stake on $50 on Bitcoin, and here I'll going to stake from my deposit. Okay, so I don't have any amount here, so what I'm going to do is click on deposits. All right, so here I'll add $50 from to my deposit, and here I'll click on Bitcoin. Okay, let me use this USDT. I already have USDT. So once I come here, right, so here I'm going to copy the USDT address. Then once I do that, I'll go to my Trust wallet or anywhere I have coin. Okay, so I can use my Trust wallet to do so. It's very simple. If you follow the easy guide, it's very simple. You can stake at least as small as $50. Okay, for security purpose I'll be blurring this particular page till when I'm done, so please don't get angry on that. So here I put my wallet, put $50. Okay, click next, my password done. So now let me come here and send a screenshot of my proof of payment. So guys, all you have to do is to keep refreshing, and once the amount is already approved on your dashboard, you hit to stake. Okay, it's very simple, and make sure you stake on any of these particular main coin, which is BTC, Ethereum, and Rainbow. These are main coin I know that I do stake. So here I'm going to be adding my $50 here, and on the next step is going to be showing me how much I'm going to be earning every day. Okay, I'm going to be earning 2.75% of this coin. So let's just do the calculation of ChatGPT and do that little quick. Let me say 2.75%. 2.75% of $50 in 7 days. So 5 days, sorry. So everything will be calculated for you. So what I'm going to be earning is a total of $6.87. Okay, you can leave it for more than 3 days, 3 weeks. Okay, and the more you pay, the more you earn. Okay, and one thing about this particular platform is the profit comes together with your main capital. Okay, it's very simple. So I'm going to click confirm. So you successfully purchase a plan, and your plan is non-active. Okay, so let me go back to my dashboard. So I'm now on my dashboard. You can see that the money has disappeared here, and let me go to my stake. You can see I have stake on Bitcoin, and it is 2.75% daily. Okay, and the one thing I like about this particular, you can actually cancel this stake and the money will go back to your active deposit. Okay, if I want to cancel, I'll click cancel. So now I've canceled this particular plan, and if I refresh, you can see my money is back to my account. It's as easy as that. And once my money is back to my account, and I can actually withdraw this money back to my account. So for security purpose, I'll be blurring this particular page because of my password. So I click to withdraw page, and all I want to withdraw is $50. So here I'm going to add a $50 here. So immediately I add $50, it's going to ask me to request for OTP. Once I do that, it's going to be sending an OTP to my email, which I use for my registration. So when I go back to my email, and once I refresh, I'll get the OTP. So what I do is to copy the OTP. Okay, so once I copy the OTP, I'll put $50. So, and the OTP, I'll put the OTP here, and I'll click on enter BTC address. You already know what to add here. You add your BTC address and click confirm complete request. Okay, so it's very simple. So on the sake of this video, I'm going to leave my investment so that I'll update you guys on this particular stake. Okay, so let me complete my stake. So now I've staked back. So on next 3 days, I'm going to be making another video to update you guys on this particular stake. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a good like and comments. Bye.